是 Burger Bang Day。现在我们一起做我们的 SuperKids 小方便面，1、2、3，哇哦 ，Super Kids， 你们做的很好哦。现在我们一起做我的 SuperKids 我的 SuperKids Play， 我的 SuperKids Run， 我的 SuperKids Go， 你们做的好棒哦。现在是玩游戏的时候哦，你们 click 那 link 就会拿到一个 Google Form， 做完了后记得 click submit 了后，老师会 email 500分给你们哦。现在我们一起站起来，专门做赞美敬拜神。
小朋友，现在又是玩游戏的时候。今天我们要玩正确排列汉堡配料。我们哪里可以拿到这个 worksheet 呢？我们可以 click 下面的 link， 有一个 Google Form， 在里面你们就可以找到这个游戏啦。做完过后，记得要 submit 给老师，老师就会 email 500分给你们。赶快，我们一起来玩这个游戏。玩完过后，我们要记得一起来赞美敬拜神哦。
Secret, it's not a fairy tale, it's not made up. Jonah was in a whale. 3 whole days, 1, 2, 3. The greatest treasure, the word God's people wrote. It's in the Bible, when Noah built a boat. And it rained and rained. Are you ready? The rainbows in the sky to show God's promises are true. Secret, it's not a fairy tale, it's not made up. Jonah was in a whale. 3 whole days, 1, 2, 3. The greatest treasure, the word God's people wrote. It's in the Bible, when Noah built a boat. And it rained and rained. The rainbows in the sky to show God's promises are true.
Just one word, you calm the storm that surrounds me. Just one word, the darkness has to retreat. Oh, just one touch, I feel the presence of heaven. Just one touch, my eyes were open to see. My heart can't help but believe gotta believe. And I will believe for greater things. There's no power like the power of Jesus. So let faith arise, let all agree. There's no power like the power of Jesus. I will believe, come on, for greater things. There's no power like the power of Jesus. Let faith arise, let all agree. There's no power like the power of Jesus. I will believe, come on, for greater things. There's no power like the power of Jesus. Let faith arise, let all agree. There's no power like His power. There's nothing that our God can't do. Hey, there's not a mountain that He can't move. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that Jesus can't do. Oh, there's nothing that our God can't do. There's not a prison wall He can't break through. Oh, praise the name that makes a way. There's nothing that our God can't do. Oh, say, there's nothing that our God can't do.
Hello， 小朋友们，祝你们新年快乐！现在我们要一起听故事，然后今天的主题是挪亚建造方舟，让我们一起听听今天的圣经文，就是在创世纪第6章22节，挪亚就照着上帝的吩咐，把事情都办好了。无论神要我们做的事多困难，我们都要顺服神的旨意。好像挪亚，因为在圣经里说，顺从神的话会得祝福。Next， 让我们一起来看看今天的故事吧。
嗨，小朋友，你们有没有看过这个东西？对啦，这个就是锤头。今天我们要看一看这个锤头拿来做什么东西哦。让我们一起来看今天的故事。Our Bible story today is found in Genesis chapters 6 and 7. It's the story of Noah and his family. Noah was a righteous man, which means that he loved God and wanted to do what was right. But all the other people in the world were bad people who did not love God and made lots of bad choices. This made God very, very sad. God told Noah that he was going to send a big flood to cover the earth. He told Noah to make a boat for his family and the animals. He told Noah exactly how to build the boat and what kind of wood to use. Noah listened to God and did exactly what God had commanded him to do. He built the big boat called an ark. Noah's neighbors must have seen him building a boat, and they probably even laughed at him. I bet they thought that it was silly that he was making such a big boat, even when it wasn't raining. But Noah kept on obeying God and building the ark. It took Noah a long time to build the ark. When it was finished, the ark was the size of 1.5 football fields long and 2 football fields wide. It was as tall as a 5-story building. The Bible tells us that God sent the animals to Noah. he sent a boy and a girl animal of each kind: elephants, tigers, giraffes, lions, dogs, and cats. He sent 7 of some special kinds of animals like sheep, goats, and all the birds. It must have been like a big zoo on a boat. Noah, his wife, their 3 sons, and their wives entered the ark with all the animals. It started to rain soon after that, but Noah and all his family were safe and dry inside the ark. They were safe because they loved God and obeyed Him. 小朋友，刚才我们听了那个故事，我们看到挪亚听神的话，神叫他建一个方舟，他就听和建了。过后，他就救了他全家人，还有很多很多动物。小朋友，今天我们学习到，我们要听神的话，我们也要听我们父母和老师们的话。现在让我们做一个祷告，求神能够帮助我们成为一个听话的孩子。让我们闭上眼睛做这个祷告。亲爱的主耶稣，谢谢你这么爱我们。今天我们听到这个故事，关于挪亚。挪亚他听你的话，他就被救了。主耶稣，让我们能够成为听话的孩子，时时刻刻我们都要听你的话，听我们父母的话和听老师们的话，好让我们能够安全。谢谢主耶稣，奉主耶稣的名求，小朋友说 Amen。 小朋友，现在又是听报告的时候，今天记得要做你们的 Google Form， 做了过后 submit 给老师，老师就会 email 500分给你哦。我们下个星期我们的 SuperKids 是 Wet and Wild， 所以记得要来收看我们的 SuperKids Online 哦。我们下个星期再见，拜拜。